Hey there and welcome to You Can Uke, where each week I'm releasing new song tutorials so that you can learn how to play the ukulele with success. So if you don't want to miss a lesson, then hit that subscribe button, like this video, and get ready to play Falling Down by Lil Peep and XXXTENTACION. Now before we can play this song, we first make sure that our ukulele is in the standard tuning of G, C, E, A. By the way, if you need help tuning your ukulele, then make sure that you check out my online ukulele tuner video. Next, there's three chords that we need to know in order to play this song, and those chords are C major, A minor, and E minor. If you know how to play those three chords, then great job. Feel free to skip ahead to the later portion of this lesson. So the first chord that we're going to learn is C major. To play that, just take your third finger and press down on the first string of the third fret. This is C major. Our next chord that we're going to learn is A minor. To play that, just take your second finger and press down on the fourth string of the second fret. This is A minor. And our last chord for this song is E minor. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the first string of the second fret, take your second finger, press down on the second string of the third fret, and then take your third finger and press down on the third string of the fourth fret. This is E minor. Now we're going to learn the chord progression for this entire song. It's just going to be C major for 8 beats, A minor for 8 beats, and E minor for 16 beats. Let's play through that chord progression now by ringing out each chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now we're going to learn the string pattern for this entire song. It's just going to be down, tap, down, pause, down, tap, down. Let's practice that string pattern on the C major chord. Down, tap, down, pause, down, tap, down, down, tap, down, pause, down, tap, down, down, tap, down, pause, down, tap, down, down, tap, down, pause, down, tap, down. And now let's apply that string pattern with the chord progression. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now that we know the chords, the chord progression, and the strumming pattern, let's put it all together with the lyrics and play through Falling Down. Rain keeps falling, tears keep falling. Rain keeps falling, tears keep falling. Darling, your love is like walking on bed of nails, and I just can't keep on fighting. Come, let's watch the rain as it's falling down. Sunlight on your skin when I'm not around. Things don't feel the same when you're out of town. So come, let's watch the rain as it's falling down. Now if you want to play through the rest of the song, then click on the card and check out my ukulele cover on this song. And that's how you play Falling Down by Lil Peep and XXXTENTACION. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it brings you success in learning how to play the ukulele. Special thanks to my friends at Ortega Guitars for supplying this ukulele for this tutorial. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below so that you can check out their product. Again, don't forget to subscribe, and as always, keep practicing and keep playing, because you can uke.